How to add battery status widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the main settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the Customize button on the left-hand side panel here. Then tap on the Widget panel down here. Once you are in an edit mode, from the Add Widgets pop-up, we go down and then tap on Batteries. Then in here, you can select a small widget or a large widget. So select a large widget if you like, a larger size that will take up half of the panel. If you select a small one, then it will take up a quarter of the panel. So here I will select a large widget, and then after you can close the pop-up window here, then tap on the close button again, then tap on the done button to save the changes. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now if you go to your lock screen now, you can see it will show the battery status widget on your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.